Hi, I'd like to share a few thoughts about my Neewer Basics X12B teleprompter, and specifically how best to use it with the DJI Pocket 3 camera. I'm using it right now, and the potential it provides for the user to maintain eye contact is first class. The prompter itself is well constructed and very simple. It requires no assembly. All you do is unfold it, secure it to a tripod, mount your camera of choice, adding a tablet or phone, loaded with the free software downloaded from a QR code in the manual, and you're good to go. The included Bluetooth remote is great. You can change the size of the fonts, the colors, and the speed of the scroll. I found it very easy to use. I recently did 20 one-minute intros for my videos in about an hour. I don't know about you, but before I would struggle trying to memorize a single paragraph, much less a monologue as long as what you're watching now. When I ordered the basic X12B from Amazon, I read the reviews about using the unit with a Pocket 3. There were several that stated it would work fine. However, when I mounted the Pocket 3 with the short 1/4 inch adapter that comes with the base camera, it was a tad too high, and it kept getting blocked by the black shroud that serves as a light sleeve around the camera. I removed the camera mounting bracket on the prompter and tried to turn it over to lower the camera, but to no avail. I knew I needed to come up with a better way of securely mounting the camera. That's when I found this little Neewer gadget on Amazon. It's a Neewer Basics magnetic mount stand compatible with DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Boy, that's a long title. Since the mounting rail on the prompter is metal, the magnetic mount provides a very secure grip for the Pocket 3. The only small problem is that it requires the camera to be mounted in a selfie position with the viewfinder facing forward. This is easily overcome by using the DJI Mimo app on the iPhone to control the camera. As we all know, the Pocket camera has a wide field of view, so I used the new Med Tele mode that was downloaded with a recent software update. It works great, allowing 4K shooting with no noticeable loss of image quality. In conclusion, I think the combination of the Pocket 3 and this handy teleprompter is a very good solution for content creators. I'll leave a link to both products in the description.